Good morning, students. It is said that life always gives a second chance, and that second chance is today, यानी आज. और इस बात को खुद को याद दिलाने का सबसे अच्छा समय होता है the morning time. Today is 1st of February, and your different law entrance examinations like AILET, CLAT, the Banaras Hindu Universities, BLET, the Symbiosis deemed international universities, SLAT, JMI law entrance test and a lot more. इन सभी law entrance examinations को सिर्फ 3 महीने और बचे. In just 3 months, you all are going to appear for a different law entrance examinations. But how to make the most out of these 3 months? I have come across a lot of students जिन्होंने अभी प्रिपरेशन शुरू भी नहीं की है और वो मुझसे एक ही सवाल पूछते हैं, क्या सर ये आखिरी 3 महीने काफी हैं प्रिपेयर करने के लिए in order to succeed? So, to answer all your queries that how to make the most out of these 3 months, out of these remaining 3 months, how to make the most out of you and how to optimize your chances of success, I'm going to come up with the open house session. Open house session means you and me will interact just like on a phone call. So do join me in the open house session, which is scheduled exactly at 9:30 p.m. tonight, यानी 1st of February रात 9:30 बजे. Do catch me, and the link for the open house session is in the description box of this video. So do catch me there and share this video with your students as well. Thank you.